Hey guys, this is Onye again. So let's continue with our Igbo quiz. If you've not watched the first Igbo quiz, vocabulary words that start with letter A, go and watch it, okay? And also watch the full videos. So in this particular quiz video, we are going to learn vocabulary words that start with letter B, testing your knowledge. Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ihe a? Ball, football. Gịnị bụ nke a? Bolom bolom, balloon. So when you are doing this, what are you saying? Bia, come. So when you are doing this, what are you saying? Biko, please. So someone with this complexion is called what? Beke. Good. So you can as well call me Beke, which is Oyibo person. That is the person with fair complexion is called Beke. See you in the next video. Komesia.